Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and I really have a great handy tool that will help you to manage all of your SVG files. So they claim themselves as an icon manager or icon self, but I will say that it is basically a SVG manager for you. Okay, you can have all of the SVG files like in a proper way or proper manner in collections or folders that you can name it, and you can put all of those SVGs in one of the collection. Maybe like I will show you what are the collection and what how does it work. Okay, and you can arrange all of those SVGs and you can get directly code out of it. You can copy it as SVG, you can copy it as a React component or a Vue component. All of those are possible. So let's get straight to the website first, then we will see a overview of the app as well. Okay, so here is icon shelf, and there, as they say, the icon manager for web developers. So you can see almost the overview of like the how the windows look and all. Okay, you can see that here, but one thing that they are lagging is you can't be able to change the icon colors like icons 8 pitch on, yeah, pitch on have, like you can change the icon colors, but you here you don't have that option. Okay, the icons will be as same colors as you uploaded, but it's obvious that not to have icon colors, because if you upload multicolor icons that will be of different colors, how many colors you they like you should get and all that is a confusion. So that's why I think they haven't given you icon. And as you can see it here, you can copy it as React icon, Vue, SVG component, JSX component, and you can open in Finder, like open in Finder or Explorer. From there you can directly copy it and you can delete it as well. So it was a really simple app, and organized by collections, large icon preview, searchable icons, sync icons with theme. All of those extra features are available. So actually, and obviously this is available in macOS, Windows, and Linux computers as well, and totally drag and drop interface. So I would like to give you an overview of this icon shelf first, like you will get to know it better. And I it's a open source project as well, right? Yeah, it's a open source project, so you can contribute to it as well if you would like to. That would be great, right? Whatever. So let me show you how this desktop app works. Okay, as I am a Windows user, I will show you in desktop. So as you can see, this is how the app look like, and already have a collection called weather, and here you can see all of the icons. As those icons are in black, I can't see anything. And if I would like to copy it as React, I can directly can click on here, and obviously use can also can use the shortcut key of Control Shift C. That is also possible. And if I right click over it, all of the options are available here, and I can add another icon to this collection, or I can create another collection from here. So let's create another collection just to show you. Okay, so let's create a collection for tools. Okay, I have all of those. I have actually downloaded all of those SVG icons beforehand to show you. Okay, so here I am having it here, and I will just copy it from my folder. Okay, and drag and drop it over here. See, it has selected tools already, and I can optimize the icons also using SVGO, but I will not do that right now. I will just add it, and it will just take few seconds. Yes, all of the icons are added now. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use and manage, and like do all sort of stuffs like managing and naming and sorting all of your icons. All of those are possible. Okay, and here are basic simple things. Okay, whatever. So that's actually about it, about this whole website. And you can obviously search it over here, and if you go to wall icons, you can search it over it here as well. Let's say I want to have a sun logo, as I have, yeah, cloud sun. See, all are available here. Now as you can see that this is type sensitive. So when I have write sun, it gave me cloud sun, and when I have sun, it gave me actual sun logo. So that's something you should keep in mind. Actually, that's basically about this whole app and about this whole website. Links will be in the description. Download if you like it, if you want to use it. I will obviously use it because I have lots of stuffs to manage, and that should be in a managed order. So I would like to use it obviously. Other than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.